Friends, today we will discuss your chapter number 4, Geography, Climate. Okay. Here in this chapter we will first study the definition of the climate, the weather, the factors that influence the climate, then the type of the climate of India particularly, and the seasons prevailing in India. So in your first video we will just discuss the climate and the factors affecting climate of India. Seasons we will discuss in your next video. Okay, next second video. Climate. Now what is climate? Climate is the sum total of weather conditions. Sum total means that everything that is included in the weather, that is the climate, but it is counted over a large area and over a long period of time. This is generally 25 to 30 years. Okay, the climate is the sum total of means that everything that is included in the weather is counted the climate, but it is estimated over a large area and long period of time. For example, the type of climate of India is a monsoon type of climate, or we can say the subtropical type of climate. The next term is weather. Weather is that everything which we can include in the atmosphere, the all kind of atmospheric conditions or the situations prevailing over an area, but a short area, and for a smaller period of time, the shorter period of time, that is weather. All atmospheric conditions are called weather, but counted over a small area and a short period of time. For example, it was raining in the morning. If it was sunny in the afternoon, or very unclear or hazy in the evening, so there are the sudden changes in the weather, the short period of time, and during a day it can be of many times. It can be hot, it can be sunny, it can be windy, it can be cloudy, it can be rainy, it can be snowy, it can be of any time. It can change occasionally after a very short period of time. Now these are the things that we count for the estimating the conditions of the climate or the weather in the limited period of time over the smaller area, the weather. Okay, the factors affecting the climate or the elements of the climate. Generally, when we discuss the type of the climate or the weather, we study two things. Those are temperature. Number two is rainfall. You can say precipitation also. Temperature and rainfall are the two major factors which we study or we examine to examine the type of the climate or weather of a place. Temperature at the place in the same country, the different places may vary or differ. For example, in the northern areas of India, when it is very cold, the temperature is extremely low. It can be very warm in the southern areas of India. So the temperature may vary. When the temperature in the desert, Thar desert of India in the Rajasthan is very high, it can be pleasant in the coastal areas at the same time. So temperature in the same country may differ, or it decides the type of the climate of an area. Rainfall also. It may also vary during the different seasons, during the different time periods of the year, and at the different places. At the same time, it may also differ. For example, the eastern parts of India receive the heavy rainfall, and the desert area of India, it remains dry and receives very scanty rainfall during the even monsoon season. So these are the elements of the climate which majorly decide the type of the climate and weather, temperature and rainfall. Now, the climate control, the term is given in your books. Climate controls are all those factors which decide the type of the climate of an area over a period of time. This climate control includes many things. Number one, altitude. Altitude, you already know, is the height of the land above the sea level. As we go higher or we go up in the mountains or in the hilly areas, the temperature drops. The air becomes heavier, and when temperature drops, it becomes cooler. So temperature decides in the altitude areas the type of the climate. In the lower altitude areas, the temperature is comparatively high and it's comparatively hot in the plain areas or in the low altitude areas. Next is latitude. Latitude means the major latitudes which decide the temperature zones of the earth. They also affect the type of climate in the different areas. For example, the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, and this divides India into two equal halves, almost approximately equal halves. One half of India, the lower half of India, it lies in the tropics, tropical areas, and the upper northern India, it lies in the subtropical areas. So India has both types of climate also, the tropical also and subtropical also. Number 3, distance from sea. The areas near to sea or closer to sea have a pleasant type of climate. Means the temperature of the water in the oceans, it maintains the balance of the temperature also in the on the land or the nearby areas of the ocean. So the distance from the sea decides the type of the climate also. The areas closer to sea have a comparatively low temperature and the pleasant climate or the temperate type of climate, and the inner areas of the country which are far away from the sea or the ocean or the water bodies, they have a extreme temperature or they can have a comparatively high temperature. Number 4, air pressure and winds. This atmospheric pressure or the air pressure which is exerted by air on the surface of the air, it also decides the type of the climate. So this air pressure and the pressure which moves the air to makes the air to move generates winds. When the air is in the motion, it is called a wind. So air pressure decides the type of climate in the way that the air moves from the high pressure areas to the low pressure areas generally, and they create accordingly to the direction of the winds, decide the direction of the winds also. Now let us in very short discuss the pressure areas also. Which areas are called the high pressure areas? High pressure areas are those areas where the temperature is comparatively low, because the low temperature makes the air cooler, and cooler air becomes heavier, and heavier air exerts more pressure on the surface of the earth. So it is these areas are called high pressure areas. When the air is warm, the areas which have the high temperature, and the high temperature makes the air hotter, and comparatively hot air, it becomes lighter, less weight, and less weight of the air exerts less pressure on the surface of the earth. So those areas are called low pressure areas. These pressure areas generated by the temperature zones also, different temperature zones also. The torrid zone generally has the low pressure areas because the temperature is high and the air is lighter, it exerts less pressure. And the areas which are away from the equator, they are towards the poles. As we move towards the poles, we have more low pressure, high pressure areas, because the wind is cooler there, comparatively cooler there, cold there. Number 5, relief features. Now relief features of the country also affect the type of the climate of that country. In India, we have many relief features which maintain the balance of the nature here in the environment. One of them is the Himalayan mountain range in the north, which stops entering the cold, chilly northern winds, northern polar winds entering from India. They prevent entering those cold winds in the India and maintains the balance of the temperature. And during during winters we don't have that much cold climate which is experienced by China and Russia, because we stay on the opposite side of the Himalayas, which stop entering these chilly northern polar winds from India. One more is the ocean or the coastline of India and southern India. Coastal lines means we have an ocean on the three sides of India, which maintains the temperature of the coastal areas during winter also and summer also. These are the climate controls. Next, the thing we will discuss is the Indian monsoon. Indian monsoon that we earlier also discussed, the India climate type of India is the monsoon type or is the subtropical type of climate. Indian monsoon season is called the Indian climate is called the monsoon type of climate because the particular kind of winds which are called monsoon winds, they blow through India during the monsoon season. And this name monsoon is given to these winds by the Arabian sailors, Arabian traders, which used to travel to India, and they noticed the movement of the wind into the same direction during a particular season, and the retreating of the monsoon also during the particular months or the particular time of the year. So they gave this name monsoon to those winds which generally originated in the Arabian Sea, and the Arabian travelers who used to travel through the Arabian Sea from Arab to India, they gave this name to these winds. Okay, this monsoon season in India, the Indian monsoon winds, they start blowing in the June and last up to September. From June to September. Okay, the much of the rainfall of India is brought by these monsoon winds during this season from June to September. When there is abundance of rain, heavy rainfall, that is called the burst of the monsoon. जब एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हम रिसीव करते हैं ड्यूरिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम 2 to 3 months, 2 से 3 महीने में ही बहुत सारी बारिश इंडिया में हो जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द बर्स्ट ऑफ मॉनसून. ओके, the retreating of monsoon. Retreating means moving back. Retreat करना, पीछे मुड़ जाना. When the monsoon winds throughout India after dropping the heavy rainfall, they retreat or move back. That season is called retreating of monsoon. Retreating of monsoon that starts in October, early October, and by December monsoons completely withdraw from India. पूरी तरह से इंडिया से चली जाती हैं by December. Okay, this monsoon season, because it specially characterizes India's climate during the particular season of the year, monsoon and the retreating almost 6 months. That's why the type of Indian climate is called the monsoon type of climate. This monsoon season is very important for the growth of the crops in India. Most of the farmers depend upon this season for the irrigation of the crops, because they receive the heavy rainfall or the much of water for the irrigation during this season. Okay, after December the winter season starts in India. Okay, next your topic after this climate in the book is seasons. Though that part of the chapter we will discuss in your next video. Thank you.